Lyrically man a jockey, me no use arsenic. It chant pan the rhythm like me screw on pan it. Original Federation and the newborn chronic. So where the mixtape name? Roots and Chalice.
Me puffy then she puffy then you puffy so. They massive them I wonder how me love it so. I man no drink no rum. Ooh, yeah. Oh what a Saturday. See Viva coming with the roots back again. Me see Jamel him a forward with a grab a leaf. Me take it from him and tell him don't carry none of these. In a Rastaman party. And Chalice with it. Chalice with it. In a Rastaman party. Is the winner, Ooh, yeah. The world get enough love from Rasta. So, oh, Babylon a puff for Rasta. And if you come in and the dance all to trouble, I will. I beg you don't bother about a feet in a Rastaman party. Oh, in a Rastaman party. Malice we both and a roots we see.
He's a man, me just work off a vibe when you come on to music, you know. That's how my original music come. That's where I did it, the first. I still have the first, you know. Straight.
Jaja, take out my heart and wash it. Wash it till my heart get clean like a whistle. And me no want to hate nobody. Don't tell you say me a Selassie I pitney. That mean me have to clean like my daddy. Take out my heart and wash every crevice. Heart have to clean like a whistle. In Ellis, God, creating me a clean heart, oh Jah Rastafari. Yeah. And renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, and take not thy holy mother from me, O Jah Rastafari. I pray. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and uphold me with thy free spirit. Then will I teach transgressors thy ways, and sinners shall be converted unto thee. Can you hear me when I say, put the lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor, sir. Me and my brother them good. We never got Teflon. Family me deal with my bun, yes man. In a interview, them ask enough question. One know where me born and where me come from. Tell them they love it at the same time. That's how me born right on the train line. 10.5 second nicks a game time. And if a brother not up, me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news. Call me love my family like a cook food. Late in the hours a night to cook food. Plate up full up of rice and good stew. So let me see some lighter. If you know, say you feel alright. Lock up the feet all evil. That song you have to clean out people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air? If you know your heart clean like a whistle. Federation. Good God, take out my heart and wash it. Eat God, wash it till my heart get clean like a whistle. And I no want to hate nobody. Eat God. Still I see I pitney that me have a queen like my daddy. Hey. Skip cross. Heavenly Father. When we there I was say Roots and Chalice, the title come from a song. I'm gonna make a song named Roots and Chalice. Right, and the song is about full enjoyment within a conscious state. When you're conscious, enjoyment just begin. Yeah, at the nice time of my life, the more conscious and the more awakened you get. At that time the life start getting nice. The king watch them on the window, may fly down far. Fist step on the beast and kick down with them like a slide down bar. We burning the system, I tell the youth if we fight gun war. Uplifting my sister and tell us I see I love star. We don't want it, Babylon the system party. But this is just the beginning of the grand finale. Not only because eventually we get the call, so we stand up tall and forget up cards. And I did we stand divided to follow me love. Walk with the Prince of Peace. Selassie are the leader. Selassie are the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. I hear the children say, Selassie are the leader. Alpha and Omega. Emptiness is on their face and bloodshed on their shoulders. Turn from your sinful ways before lightning strike all over. Only for atrocity where your cause man get to use. Then you have the other city, we come give me gun for shoot. And not chat how you like the city. This is the ugly truth. And when you bring all the guns, come give me give it to my big crowds and I make revolution. One time the guns them turn for the old politician. Bring it come in the first place. You should have won education. We make the youth them learn instead of ammunition. And you want come on the next term, go run up under your bed, boy. Put your hand on your head. Make a rebel and make dread. Corrupted politician fit dead man. Farm to Coral Garden, down at the Valley Garden. Coming like a pre every garden and no revolution reach every garden. Go put this up in the cleaner. Who want it reach every reader. When I live like Haile Selassie, in a bit for big conics leader. I live like Haile Selassie, in a bit for big conics leader. When I live like Haile Selassie. Oh yeah. Walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie I, Haile Selassie I, alone. Oh, Alpha and Omega. Hear the children say. Hear the children say.
Right now it's Roots and Chalice. Yes, I say strictly Roots and Chalice. Well, if you ain't know, now you ain't know. It's Max Blazer Federation Sound, and I say alongside Chronixx, one called J Island. Oh yes. Right at the beginning. Oh yeah. Hear what me say. That's why the streets getting hotter still. Love people got shot or kill. Just to see the pot a fill. Now stop till them got a mill. Me lay up on the spot a bill. I dodge them red data till me escape to the top of hill where I can hold a proper chill. Things in the streets are knock louder than a speaker box. Cops find Peter Glock. Take him head and get a crack. Should him in the seat a back. Him leak out all a liter flop before him get for meter dock. Hey, that's why me tell you say this is my philosophy. Everything up in this a world a cost a fee. The dirty living ya make me feel like me lost a sea. I just a evil to the victim where the boss a free. Yes, Judge, I know so me not think me and the master agree. That's why the youths them in the streets a send cross a key. And dirty Babylon them want to see the loss of we. I show the youths them find a way to make a faster dream. Hey,
dream on. And Judge, children you must dream on. Yeah. Cause one day all your dreams must come true. Now but I listen to no demon. Can't lock me down, me is a free man. I had the monkey climb, and the more him expose. Enough I said them head at an boss. When you check it, them cold like a puppy nose. Yesterday me hear they soap him announce. Say you fi come down at the station now. Cause anywhere him buck you up out a road. I said you don't know how it go. Cause a John Wayne a your hero. You live your life like a cowboy show. I put lippy, I put lip high, I put lip oh. You never hear when your granny want you. She said the higher the monkey climb, and the more him expose. Enough I said them head at an boss. And when you check it out, when you check it out, them go like a puppy, like the little puppy nose. They are so cold. They are so cold, oh, they are so cold. Whoa. Well, me nah run go check up no badness. But some me nah run go check up no dance shipper. Dance shipper something where you can't play with. In a badness as you slide and slip. Button pick up your body like a beer lip. Take it from J Island in the one called Conix. They up on the mixtape, roots and chalice. A roots with roots, chalwa with chalwa. Bright, you bright, and face the two. I prefer the dog more than you. When I was a child, my granny said, boy, keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, oh, yeah. Safe in my ear. Man, how you run up your mouth. I say again, safe in my ear. I never ask you, nothing what you tell me. I beg you daily to cease and still you keep talking. That's it, my granny tell me, from your little baby, he that keepeth his mouth shall stay out of problem. And some me know you is a news carrying dread, so I ain't carrying Chatter with me, you will chatter of me, my murder of big informer. OJ, yeah. Your mouth I go put you in a problem, so deep in problem, one day. OJ, whoa, your mouth I go put you in a problem. You a go ball. See a car your mouth you're gonna weep. See a car your teeth, you a go ball. See a car your mouth and every teeth is a liar. Remember you tell me, say Teflon hate me. Then you tell Teflon Conix hate him like a dose of poison. You wickedy. You tell me woman, say me have another lady. Then you tell me, say she have a man will leave a high rising. Oh, Tamasi, yeah. And so me know you is a news carrying dread, oh. You ain't carrying on, yeah. Chatter with me, baby. Chatter of me, my murderer.
Spanish Town, prison over. Born and grew up Spanish Town every day of my life. Between the age of 0 to 17, I spent all of my life in Spanish. Never go nowhere. I went to school in Spanish Town, I went to church in Spanish Town. I went to studio in Spanish Town. You know, spent so much of our life in Spanish Town to the point where it is literally a part of our consciousness. You know what I mean? Me is from there, so. When you get Spanish Town training, you get skillful, you know? Yeah, I tell you. Spanish Town is a place that make you skillful. Spanish Town make you well skillful. Spanish Town teach you how to keep your eyes open, brethren. All three of your eyes in Spanish Town they make you open them. The Spanish Town teach me how to build. And it teach you how to discharge. And then when you get them two skills, you know, you just use them skillfully. You know what I mean? Because you have to break down certain things in order to stay up. You know what I mean? Because if you don't mash up certain things, you get mashed up. I give thanks to my experience in Spanish Town. It is a great portion of who I am right now. Yeah man, love over there, so man. That's what I talk about. Love Spanish Town 100%. Always and forever.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. What a cool and deadly. Hey, hey. Some call it Spanish Town, a prison over rock. Some call it Spanish Town, a prison over rock. Place called De La Vega, Spanish Town rocking, over blazing over. I grew up in a place called Ensom City, Spanish Town grooving, everybody nice. El Jaman, Spanish Town, me born, that's where me come from. From me looking at my face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I say Max and Glazer, Anti-Federation. Strictly roots and culture play for nice station. Yeah, me letting all you, them know the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance, done I'm ready. Spain Town original. And my neighbors drink out over Spanish Town hospital. To me mama name, Nana Spanish Town original. And my papa name, Kaneka Spanish Town original. And my granny name, Peggy Spanish Town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson, Kaneka such a field marshal. If I dance all school, we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. Sperling in a me goodies, I'm well physical. Well, I'm offering Papa Kaneka microphone official. Me read me Bible every day, as I'm well biblical. I meditate in the morning, some well spiritual. I said original Kaneka representing from prison over. Live and direct, hear me now. I grew up in a place called De La Vega, De La Vega. Spanish Town rocking, over blazing over. Yeah. I grew up in a place called Ensom City, Spanish Town grooving, everybody nice. Yes, I grew up. Me say uptown, posse beggar rock and come in. Me say downtown, posse beggar rock and come in. Me say tell Maxine, Paulette and Pauline. And I tell them Papa Kaneka him they up on the scene. Voice string out like a siren. Bring your little picnic and my lyrics them clean. No cigarette, no they just strictly the green. No say no alcohol, no they just strictly spurling. I'm a afraid bring my woman cause a royal rhythm. Remember said the king of kings done crown with the queen. Oh, me fell left my woman and a sprawl with machine. And me can't dance with no M16. Can't wind me good deep on no all 14. And I'm a friend Papa Kaneka and the royal rhythm. Go, push up your hand them on the royal rhythm. Go, hug up your woman on the royal rhythm. Well, I'm a friend Max Glazer and the royal rhythm. And I'm one Kenny Museum and the royal rhythm. And I'm a whole federation and the royal rhythm. And the whole of Brooklyn and the royal rhythm. Spanish Town, well, and we royal. Spain Town, Spain Town. Rockford, Rockford. East side, west side. Yeah. I feel the youth, them the wise and street smart. Now sell out, you know, weaker. Beat the system and prisma. For every ghetto youth streets, I want to see lion paw. Out there, out there, out there, out there, out there, lion paw. Out there, out there. For the youths them in the streets, them move sharp just like lion claw. For the youths of De La Vega, we're pretty good behavior, and I wall it down in the town. For the youth them up a rock fort, we're solid like a rock stone, stand firm like roots in the ground. For the youth them down a standpipe in the streets like a stoplight, now stop till food in the zone. For the one them run a TG, juggle CD, DVD. For the ones when load bust down a town, when you say chronics in the area. Get up, stand up and jump, get on youth, don't have no fear, cause I don't make we overcome. Tell the get to youth beware, can't up sell out because them dumb. Select a beg you wheel it again. For the youth them we wise and streets man. Now sell out you know weaker. Beat the system and breeze man. For every get a youth in the streets, I want to see lion paw. Out there, out there, out there, out there, out there, lion paw. Out there, out there. For the youths them in the streets, they move sharp just like iron claw. Something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right, yeah. Before I hold you in my arms, I wanna hold you in my heart. Before we share our love upon that bed, I wanna place this crown up on your head, woman. Girl, you're my queen, majesty. You are my queen, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, majesty? Oh, you are my queen, majesty. Queen of the jungle, you are the lioness. Other feel like a grumble, but they're always trying your best. So when the whole world a crumble, your lion is alright. Before I hold you close, just before I hold you close. Oh girl, I wanna let you know that when all is done and all is said, you deserve that crown upon your head, woman. I said queen, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, baby? Majesty. Yes, you know you are, majesty. You are my queen, baby, majesty. You know? So hear me now. Well, me say Cleopatra, Queen of Sheba. Nefertiti, are you are your feature. Empress, man in a beautiful creature. You summarize every queen of the East seas out. Every night crawler and gully creeper. I mean I know about no Mona Lisa, but me know Venus and Serena. Undisputed Queen Omega. To the river bank, come the river bank skin girl. All good you know, no problem girl. Kill a body of physique, shot them bow. Straight greens don't visit Agpen. And the majesty I hit a mad them. All bout I make it up and I sing your anthem girl. Cross my heart, so my pledge from when I want Queen Star, all my love song them non-stop. I want Queen Star, all my love song them from top. And I want Queen Star, all my love song them ease up. Roots, where's my chalwa? I'm gonna walk until my feet are no more. Yeah. Walk, I may not get tired, cause I am on a journey, and I'm a conquering lion. See what I am.
yeah. With me back on me back, now for call me no man. I'm walking the walk, now for walk without Jah. Still I see me fall, preserving me honor, and reserving a place in a Zion for I. Leaving my footprints in the sun when them see it. Babylon could never see me walking confident the street. And I hope in a Zion when my confidence reach. Try the road no matter how long it seems. I walk coming now get tired. Afraid I am on a journey, yeah. Oh yes, I am a conquering lion. Oh, I have walk coming now get too weary, yeah. I am on a journey, yeah. Them never know say no walk me and the bands walk for me. Walk, catch me. Walk out and me say me join walk out and federation. Walk out and me say me join walk out and them me no own no car, me no own no truck, me no own no minivan. Only thing when me own me tend to turbo for walk panjal and come now. Walk from Spanish Town and go a wild time. Chat through ugly park and then me reach a tough gang. When time them ask me what to come for, I said to voice or leap a song. What is the name? I tell them original chronics, the microphone down. Them tell me that Baxi is the engineer for this session. But I look and say who they are, song don't come in no vice slang. Then me walk go skip out avenue feeling the baby rock gang. I'm a psycho back a pyramid, real Egyptian. Sit down and all of deep reasoning, then me vice about 14 song. And you know Kabaka no play him a the lyrical dan. Hey, walk out and we say we giant walk out and pyramid walk out and giant walk out east.
When I say chalice now, marijuana and chalice and roots and everything, we are dealing with holistic, which is medicine, recreation, spiritual, ritualistic, universal acceptance of the plant. We don't deal with partial acceptance of Rastafari, and that is what Babylon are coming with now. They want to accept parts of the plant, and you don't do that. Because you don't accept part of the mango tree. You have the whole mango tree growing in your yard. All when the mango not bear upon it, you have the tree. See? So you're not going to just say, alright, give me the mango and cut down the tree. And if you see with no other part of the tree, it wrong. No. Love the plant. Love herb. You get what I'm saying? Them come with medicinal marijuana for single out parts and aspects of the plant that them want to use. And that is all of that have economical origins. Which means a man knows say this part of the plant can make money for me. The rest of it can't make money for me, so the rest of it bad. No. All of the plant good brethren. All down to the root.
Yeah. Grade never hurt nobody. Let her be free from the earth, no daddy. Yeah. Rock me nice and easy. Rock me nice and slow. In the early morning, you turn me on, so let the good times roll. Said them try to separate me no wanna crack for smoke. Give me the ital in my brain and let it light up in my dome. And I'm me alone one steam in the sensei every time. And I'm me alone one burning every time. Oh, I said give me the highest grade. I beg you, oh, it's the perfect tree. Let it light up in my brain. My brother was strictly earth for me. Love my marijuana. It's the perfect tree. Love my marijuana. Strictly earth for me. Yeah. No spliff, no below. At the ital steamers and no chill on. This will make a second and cease and have to sit down. Up on the cold concrete, you have to lay down. Ease out. As a beginner man start, just a sip up and cough and a grin up and laugh. Steam chalice and a joking and a smoking, we promoting the lungs them free of all charges. But we have to big up all smokers. Same way we're smoking chicken and this no smoke, no crave nay. Now take no crack for we brain crash landing. Mayday, mayday when my purple A's there. I'm an organic, no high grade, what kind of touch are this? You know see the whole world demand chronic. Office supply so we planting it. High grade never hurt nobody. Let herb be free on the earth, no daddy. Exercise your brain and work your body. Right beside the station burning Cali. Give me the ice grade, it's a perfect treat. Light up in my brain street. Birds fall.
Amigo can this. And if you're not the money, then you can't get none of this. One jaw from me spliff it up, me head touch just a lift. And the chalice italic. I feel run to get a sip, and me say quick. Not a bad bitch, just a whiff. Half of the sweet and sour piffy. For not 10 and a half, up a brave, that's where we are. Blazing blades, all when the sun blazing hot. Make a shimaya, dig up the ganja farm, a plant them up, me wanna keep my nerves, them calm, a breeze, a blow and rain, a job. Make a need my dough, make a need a job, fi stay relax. And a T-tato, and a P5-4 fi get me props. When we are on it, link up scary frost. And we no scared and no male nor no lady cops. Roll the rhythm like a Rizla, then blaze the chop, boy. Same so we blaze the chop.
Come make a blaze up the track like sativa. Make a blaze up the track like sativa. Run go to East and send go call Isa. McGregor go Libra can come in. Yeah, with 100% of cheese sweets and similia. We don't need no Rizla fi light up with steamer. Grandma ask how my earth smells so sweet. Cause she not smell no smoke, just the scent of the greens. You chastise the herb then repent of your sins. You chastise the herb then repent of your sins. Father God I go give you a beating. For all the ones that you lock up in a prison. Oh, lock them up for no reason. Still be planting herb for all season. Autumn, winter, summer, spring. I'm in a Johnny bag of long talking. Well, I'm offering Papa Connects and we ride the rhythm. Grab up the microphone and me say what a same thing. Enough say them a rap but Jaja no say man a sing. Enough say them a prince but Jaja no say man a king. Teflon a veteran in a the marijuana thing. Them and they have the carpet we call him Aladdin. Float down in the sky and no crash landing. Well, I'm offering Papa Connects man no crash landing. Pass me herb a different something. Give me my chalice a different song. East. Yeah. I never know this strictly herbs, you know. Holistically. Herb for food, herb for thought. Herb for meditation, herb for medication. East. Yeah. For what is a tree without roots? That's why we say roots and chalice, you know. Cause the chalice is what? Open your eyes so you can discover your roots. Peace.
When we check it and see all of the dietary supplements and medicine what people build, is all things that can be found in food, right? So me always say, oh, why we don't just take food as a medicine then? Just like how you wake up and them say, alright, take this tablet 3 times a day. Why we don't just drink spirulina 3 times a day? That fix everything, right? Cause spirulina you need.
Whoa, Federation. Yeah, me know. When me say spirulina build up high confidence. Rastafari run the continent. This King Selassie you pay the consequence. Don't get it confused, boy. Give me a buckle of spirulina. I make we mix up the roots with Medina. Come off a tour me and my friend Kenny Meese. So we go a warp road and go link beef. Have a good for your nerves. So what's up and support a coconut water. If you wash off your heart. Hey, nobody could have said Rasta soft. Me go link Viva fast and never fever grass. So then, me get a call from Jacqueline. So me have to drop a spirulina, farmer spirulina. Rasta no deal with the lame thing. So tell me Empress Divine, self rock and come in car. If you not get it, you will lose. Make your food be your medicine, your food. Blend up your carrot with the lettuce in a juice. No afraid to mix a vegetable with the fruits. Come again, give me a buckle of spirulina. I make we mix up the roots with Medina. Come off a tour and mini feel big. Go a Warp Road and go link. What other then? Give me a buckle of Sperline up. I make we mix up the roots with Medine. Come off a tour and me need feel big. Me drive go a Hope Road. Up. Well, it was under the soursop tree. My woman brings a porter for me. Tell her it was under the soursop tree. Say she want married to me, yeah. Under the soursop tree. My woman brings a porter for me. Tell her it was under the soursop tree. Say she want married to me. Just the other day me flying from New York. Me and my girl stop to get a 17 bar. From Viva City to a we know him now for talker. Him know how we things set. A Sperline now we playing, so you know I'll be spending every dollar out of my bill for. Oh yeah. A buckle of the green and I it make me queen. So me skill like a land skill code. Well I'm moving Propagonics, lyrics and fall. I'm ever young and fresh, never old. Cause I look on me big and me tough and my brother, my brave. And my skill and my bad and my bold. I mean sing sweet like a Nat King Cole. An old King Cole was a merry old soul. A devil to Goliath with a stick and a stone. The people ball chronics, don't leave we alone. Samson to the Philistine with the donkey jawbone. And them for know so we are all our own. King Selassie, I'm seated on the throne. Rastafari is the king on the. Oh, yeah, me say give me a buckle of Sperline in the baba. Yeah, it's up a roots in Medina. Oh, double-double-dee, double-double-double-dee. Oh, alright, a joyride. Sperline in the morning, taking a ride. Alright, joyride. Ease up. Special request to all of the ones them who know Fuse and Blender, and them is no pretender. This is the original Chronic Blender Defender. From wait, there's only one thing on my agenda. You me know? Watch out. Chronics again, them call me again. Chronics again, them call me. Chronics again, them call him again. Chronics again, you me know? Then from away up my blender, I fi use them. Call me the smooth operator. Potion to smoothie and natural juice. Them call me the smooth operator. Them I wonder if Nasha they liquor brother, or if me learn from Viva. But from away my blender, I fi use them. Call me the smooth. Well, me say coconut juice and 3 ripe banana, hemp milk peanut dash in the blender, 3 leaf of kale and a dash of Sperline. Now talk to one where we get from Viva. Health food market, me buy the powder, Irish mash and a dash of vanilla. Now use no honey, me never use no sugar. Still them I wonder how me smooth is sweet. So I'm a blender, I fi use them. Call me the smooth operator. Potion to smoothies and natural juices. Call me just smooth. Them I wonder if me a shot they liquor better, or if me learn from Viva. But from the way me blender, I fi use them. Call me the smooth. Hey, well me say ginger, coconut, water, cane juice, 1 sugar pine, a few passion fruit, 3 June plum and my blender start move. Tell them already me's a serious youth. All garlic and cayenne pepper me use. Them thing they make me singing improve. Sing out and the people start move. Ball out 50,000 start move. We caught foot can't fit in a rasta shoes. Come Jaja picking if we get in a dig. Me say, tell them already say I tell me name. You see they not change, tomorrow is the same. Come, tell them already say I tell me name. Well I'm up in Propagonics ready for change the game. Federation them they are the same. Max players I go tell them in the lane. One go on the people pan the main. Tell them no put nothing wrong in them brain. Tell them that children rule and we reign. I listen I see him rule and him reign. Well I'm up in Propagonics and me they are the same. And me say tell them already say that I tell me name. Da 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 I tell me name. Tell them already done, I tell me name. I done, da done, I tell me name. What da done, da done, da done, I tell me name. What da done, 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 I tell me name. I me say done, 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 me name. Well I'm a friend Propagonics and we know we not change. Come now.
So the roots of that we deal with. Me is a food person, me is a nutrition personnel, you know. And we love deal with nutrition. and we love dealing with hopefulness. Anything to make people hopeful within this dimension of it we have it. Right? You know, what herb do is connect you with what happening inside of you. So you can deal with it. And it make you strong enough to deal with it too. But we just need to understand the plant. Or feel the plant, as I was saying. We need to feel the plant, because if we don't feel the plant and know the plant, we are going to end up misuse it. And we don't want that.
I hear never them a talk about them a steaming specialist and steaming general. I'm Mr. Welcome kind service and a steam chalice marshal and I'm want them again. Well, hear me now, but tell them I said don't drop tongue. Don't drop down when you get this steam chalice. I beg you, don't drop down because you I kill over you long out your tongue and people have to come up funny and try to take you up now. Can't deal with chalice, beg you please put it down. Chalice has something where we left it down and gone enough for hype, but them grab a it act like the sun. When you check it out, the wall of them drop down and them long out them tongue. Long out them tongue and I white like chalk and them long out them tongue and people have to come and try and come scrape them out now and them mama ball out say please take up my son. Take up my son because cold sweater wash. In my hype and a top boy him can't drop. High grade wally man cut in my back. Boy him a lick chalice lick him down flat. I mean, give me my chalice let me show you off the steam. Boy you a general I must see dream you a dream. Big embarrassment you causing the scheme. Hear from the shout from a brethren a team. Steam sessions the other night. I blaze the chalice and I pass it on the right. Here comes a boy with him calling him the white. I hear my talk say I steam chalice him like. I talk say him a pro and him steam it every night. So my brother Jack in decide to give him a blind friend. Him take a one puff him lean from left to right. Me can't believe the boy out for drop down tonight. And me said don't drop down. Don't drop down and give me back my steam chalice. I beg you don't drop down. Cause if you make all my cut you I got broke and all the water and the herb dash you a ground. Can't deal with chalice, beg you please put it down. Chalice is something where we left it on the ground. And them a say them grab out like the sun. When you check it out the whole of them drop down. We want ambulance come. Mama will a head and a ball for your son. Oh God, the him poor little lungs. She run in at the house and pick up him asthma pump and say give him the pump. Give him the pump and me no want this smoking thing up. Collapse him lungs cause he then know him got steam and him drop down and ambulance come and have to pick him up you know. Before your eyes the chalice beg you please cook first. Many youths me witness by the dust. Cause them never eat before them steam up. Take a one puff and them run out of luck. Me a one youth, me food me put first. Tell you no already take my belly serious. Hungry is a thing where wicked and vicious. Finger down a ground all your for it chip up. You know one hungry and ganja mix up. Them send it down a KPH go lean up. That's why me cook a pot before me steam up. Irish mash the in a me thermos. So me nah drop down. Can't drop down when time me touch the steam chalice. And me nah drop down. And me just a slap it and a slap it coming like it can't done. And when time me I get too fresh me just put it down. Cause me nah drop down. Nah drop down. Asking you kindly to give Jah thanks and praise. Oh yeah, thanks and praise. Said in everything give Jah the thanks and praise. Just remember this in everything you do. Wherever you go, bring Jah along the way. And never stop my sister, no. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving, moving. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving, moving. Just keep it moving. Now look by your wife, oh she looks so clean. And I look at where you buy last week. You better give thanks and praises. You better give thanks and praises. You're looking nice and you're looking neat. Though your bamboo not tall like the mountain peak. I beg you give thanks and praises. I beg you give thanks and praises. So when they ask you how you doing, tell them you're doing great. Never you complain. From you a blood running through your veins. Said in everything give Jah the thanks and praises. Just remember this in everything you do. Wherever you go, bring Jah along the way. And never stop my brother man. Just keep it moving. Oh yeah, just keep it moving. Oh just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Oh just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Phenomenon one. I'm from a nice and you bless my baby. yourself, my brother. Call your bless and your highly favor. I sing this for my brothers and my sisters in Ghana. I'm from Kenya, go straight to Uganda. From Dar es Salaam, go straight to Ethiopia. I listen as the earth ride for the roller. From Eritrea, go straight to Somalia, Gambia, Lagos, the whole of Nigeria, Ghana. We not left out in Accra. And every African is a true rasta. Push up your hand and give praises to Jaja. When I'm up in Papa Chronics, I real than Dada. Talk to me, baby. Speak to me softly. Lord of mercy.
If you only take me, you won't regret.
No regret, no
I'll
girl.
give you love back. You'll never forget.
Never forget, darling.
If you only take me in your arms.
Come now.
I'll be the best love you ever had. The best love you ever, best love you ever had.
Best, B-E-S-T, me have to confess. Step out in the streets, you know your tall dress. Man ups and a watch and them a text set. Like a pest, call you are the best. Yourself to take your hand and me never regret. You don't need no makeup, no need no corset. And you no favor, the something will come in the Star Trek. So me take you as me empress.
You only take me, you won't regret. I'll give you love back, you'll never forget. If you only take me in your arms, I'll be the best love you ever had. The best love you ever, best love you ever had.
Darling, me ready for explore. When you tell me best love, I just want to make sure. Come on a chill, and me with chill. Your mood walk through your door. Dive go up deep to your ocean floor, but I'm not that alone. Me full of love in me heart and my arms safe and warm like a mineral bath. Give you the crown, you a queen from start. Tell us I make a finish right where we start. Come now.
If you only take me, you won't regret.
I will take you in my arms
I'll
now.
give you love back, you'll never forget.
I may not have
If you
amnesia.
only take me in your arms,
Come
I'll
now.
be the best love you ever had. The best love you ever, best love you ever had.
Teflon, Zinc Fend, Chronic, Spanish town me born and grow. Well, heap a bad man me know. One thing they all have in common, the whole of them poor. Me tell you this, you know fi bad and hungry. You know fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that straight. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, me woulda sell my gun and buy a old Corolla. Taxi me run and buy me daughter stroller. Son a baller but in a score no goal. Cause the boots where him have no insola. Me want show him say that he a the boss. Bring him go the shoe shop, pick up anyone you want. New shoes, new shirt, new shots. Can't bust gun and me pick them a ball. Oh, me no fi bad and hungry. Oh, you fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that shit. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. I were you. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun and buy a burning machine. Bootleg every Chronic CD. Dread and terrible that to the full up the streets. And men now watch no face car food that fi eat. Granny want bed and she want new teeth. But the teeth are for where she needs somewhere for sleep. So she see a ceiling on TV. The mattress that she need with some brand new sheet. Wadada. Oh, you feel bad and hungry. You know feel bad and hungry. Anything bad for that shit. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, oh, I woulda sell my gun. Come on, I were you. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. Real, socks real,
Everything me cooking and me pot real. Them check me live it, he said the ras real. Every strand and me locks real. In De La Vega, Max feel. Her chronics gear the original seal. Her from a start bleach, then they stop real. Because you never like how your black feel. Shades real, Brendan real. You know fi ask if Teflon real. Every brother when me got real. And if it come to the test house, I and knock steel for we fi make sure everything's still real. That mean me see string real. Every woman whenever dream still real. Every rascal burn out the system real. Winter, summer, spring, everything is everything. Seasons change, I and I will remain the same. Oh, real, so real. Brothers and my sisters real, so my family me love you real, so real. Oh, real is not the absence of change. Real is being conscious and straight. Straight is being upful and right, and upful is to be lifted and high. So when you hear we say Rasta man real, every day is a chapter man read. And when you hear we say Rasta man real, they know we got it there. At the highest way esteem, and a lie go ox a ring jail. But my high long before my child what did bill. Me no steam 3 weeks and still meditation. I like mountain and hill. Car I have to connect with the eye, don't mix up what the media project with the eye. And I never lose sight of the eye. When flesh dead and gone, them I right off the eye and say winter, summer, spring, yes, everything is everything. Seasons change, I and I will remain the same. Oh, real, so real. Brothers and my sisters real, so my family me love you real, so real. You have to sing about your experiences. You know, everybody have to make that effort. What did I experience? You don't want nobody to know that. People have to know that. What did I experience? What are my feelings? What are the things that I'm feeling right now in life? Sing about that, man. One thing with me, I don't let nothing change on me, you want to say. Nothing. That's why I tell a man that he's not a reggae artist, but as far as speaking about what I'm speaking about is concerned, that don't change. So, if reggae is what I'm talking about, then everything with me do have to be reggae. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door, baby. Your brown eyes sing sweet melody. It tell me the future. Now listen to your friend named Melanie. You fi bring for me you them. And if your love is a felony, I still for your heart me salute. Me I fi thought this a truth, girl. Believe me. One thing asking you, could you give me a try? Cause when I look in your eyes, I feel like I'm flying. Oh baby, could you give me a try? Cause when I look in your eyes, baby, oh yeah, it's been a long time. Long time me I wait, and it's not the wrong time. Long time me I knock on your gate. No one can separate us, baby, once we consolidate. And it's a long time I've been calling you, so girl, don't answer me late. No, could you give me an extra try? Cause when I look in your eyes, feel like I'm flying. Could you give me a try, baby? Cause when I look in your eyes, baby, when I look in your eyes, baby. Oh, na 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 na. Lip up them a lip up. I'm missing enough of them a flip up. All of them a free run when King Selassie broke his 7 seal and get up. East, look how me dread. Terrible, wall all your head. Government run under bed. When you see the Rasta coming with the roots and chalice with the chalice and roots. Holding firm to my tradition like a magician. We make the chains from the Vatican. Poof, break loose from the minds of the African youth. Even though it may seem like magic, all we do is liberate minds, separate folly from truth. Next time you buy a ticket for Chronics. From me say ease out, everybody start moving, means so much more than a Grammy. Fi see the youth, them arise spiritually, that prove humanity arise literally. Ascend to dimensions where God is just you. Chalice and roots.
Chronics in my verse right here. This is a blessing and a curse right here. Blessing to the people with the birthright, but to them dirty capitalists, this are them worst nightmare. Them a lip up. Them get flip up like a pancake, and all them tready fi get trim up like my landscape. Big up to my listeners, me do this for the fans' sake. The ones when liberal oppose the lyrics could have translate. Pass for applause. New vape and the only floss, me a floss. Roots and chalice, so I pass, we a pass. While some a pass out on the grass, we a laugh. Now change the topic. Chronics have a song already about that, so I'ma stop it. The way out of poverty, the artists are plotted. So go tell Lisa and I do your job and stop.
This is beauty queen. I'm kinda flattered that you're looking at me. It's true, but don't you got work to do? You feel it?
You can feel it when we sing it. Like the bees when them sting it when we bring it. Lyrically we are push it to the limit. We're bringing Champions League level ball to the scrimmage. On this mixtape we put it out free. And it raw like the food when we cook without heat. We not do this here for ram the bill full. We lyrics just a shift them like Alan Skill Cole. Better say my name right when you see me. Call it Bapa say Kibaki a voice dub played for me. But me nah watch nothing, brother, go and do your thing. Every man I feel you hustle from the farm. Me a fling couple seed in the dirt. Blood, sweat and tears me put in the dirt till me leaving this earth. Life not no see what it's worth. Baby rock a quench the people's thirst till we disperse.
One thing I ask ya, keep the music coming, never let it stop flowing. Hear them saying time and them mouth stop. But even time shall pass, word sound shall last. Surpassing all disaster. Live before and after. In the beginning was the word, and the word was God, and it descend and come dwell on ya. And if I look for God, find it in my prana. And them for now we're higher than any soprano. Well, all I'm offering Papa Chronics to a chemisania. I grade por favor, asante sana. One puffer for the chalice, when my voice warmer. So if I lyrics, so no one you're getting what you ask for. Them know we frequency loud like the first handgun. Rearrange your life like a burst condom. This is roots and chalice, bring your verse and come. Them up for wait little longer for my first album.